Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the turtle from Adopt Me Roblox. So let's get started. To draw this cute turtle, let's first start by drawing a circle for the eye. So I'm going to come right here and draw a very big circle. Nice and big. And then I'm going to come right here on the edge here and draw another circle for a highlight and shade everything else in black. So thank you, Dresser Cuties, for all the requests to draw more Adopt Me Roblox pets. Definitely let me know in the comments below what other ones you want me to draw, and check out my Adopt Me Roblox pets playlist. Okay, so I got one big eye in there. Now we're going to draw the head. So I'm going to use this as my guide. I come to the top of this circle and just come out, let's say about right here. And I'm going to start and draw the head. So I'm going to curve, kind of following this circle right here. And I'm going to start to go around. So the head is nice and round. And then I'm going to come to the top right here. And just going to curve around this head. Okay, so about right there, I'm going to go up. And then now I'm going to draw to the bottom here. And about right there, I'll start to bring it in. And taper it off. Okay, so this is the general shape you want for your turtle's head. And then across from this eye, about in this area here, just imagine the eye. So about right here, I'll pop in the other eye. So just a curve right here, about the same size as the other one, and shade that part in. There, got the other eye in. So then now we can go ahead and finish the head. So we're going to bring this down. And we're going to come down for a little neck for our turtle. So cute. And then right here, just to draw the other side of the neck. So we're just creating a little neck right here. And then we're going to connect it with a curve. There. From there, let's start to work on the body. So I'm going to come right here, right at the neck area, and draw a curve. So I'm going to start to slowly build this. Just bring it down. And now we have the shell. Just remember we have the shell up here and then the body here. And it's not going to be too wide, so maybe it ends about in this area right here. So I'm just going to bring this down, and because you're using a Sharpie and I can't erase, there's a foot right here I need to draw first. But if you're using a pencil, go ahead and finish your curve. So I'm going to stop right there and draw a little curve right here. Well, actually, it's a big curve, huh? This turtle's feet are pretty prominent. So it's like drawing a little gumdrop shape right here. And then go ahead and connect it at the bottom. And then I'm just going to go ahead, imagining this coming through and bringing out a curve. But before I finish this curve, I want to come back up here and draw the shell so I kind of know where I'm going. So right at this neck area, let's bring out a curve. So we're going to connect these. We're going to meet the shell and the body. So let's bring this down. So, and bring this part up. So like I said, we don't want it too far out. So about in this area, let's go ahead and stop. So I'm going to bring this up and connect. So right here, just going to go ahead and connect it to a point. Then from there, this part's going to go up and draw the shell. And then this part right here is just going to be a little foot. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's bring this out. just a little bit, round it off, and let's come back here and we're going to draw the edge of our shell, so about right here. Just kind of following the bottom. And we're going to curve it around. And connect. So we're creating a little peak right here. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and draw the top of the shell. So about in this area right here, I'm gonna start. So it's just nice and round. It comes back to here. So about right there, I'm gonna draw a curve, and I'll stop because I'm using a pencil. Using a Sharpie. But if you're using a pencil, definitely draw a curve that comes right back to here, and then you can draw the plates over it. But like I said, I have to stop first, and then so right here I'm going to draw a bump that comes out. So it's going to be my first plate. I'm calling them plates. I'm not sure. I should have Googled it and make sure what to call them. But here we go. One right here. And then I know there's another one right here. So I'm just going to come right here once again, and still remembering I'm drawing a curve. And I'll draw another one that comes down. About right there. Round it off a little bit and bring it up. So then we have a little bit more space right here, continuing. And then we got one more. So we're going to bump it out again and connect. And whatever space you have left, just go ahead and finish it off. So now we have 3 here, so we have one big one right here, still following this curve. So about right here, we're just going to fit in one right here. There, go that in. And if you like, just like the original, there's a little tiny piece right here that shows up. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw that right here. Just tuck it in. Okay, so then now all we have left are the feet. So there's one right here. So just imagine it diagonally coming about right here. I'll pop it out about right here. About the same size. And connect at the bottom. So let's come right here in this area, and we're going to draw the last foot. So come about right here. Imagine it being tucked through. So it'll come underneath the shell about right here, and angle. And right here. And connect. There. And you're not going to see the other foot, so we don't have to draw that. So they're all done. I hope you love this cute little turtle just as much as my other pets from Adopt Me Roblox. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.